Bubedo godo bang'e sa adek e chendo mar mine wacho kaka wanyalo rito tuke mag chan kaluwore koda chike mabende koro oketi. Ka wadhi mbele ni Gavana ma Kericho Eric Mutai okwedo wach mar ni thiche oko e apis kod MCAs ma kaunti no kowacho ni chendo no ne ok otimore e yo makare. Mutai olero ni yo mane otigodo e thiche oko e apis ne ok ni kare kendo ni en gima ochan gi jogo ma ok mor gi kit telo mare e kaunti ma Kericho. Ma biro tok MCAs 33 siro lwedo mar gole oko e apis odiechieng' manyoro ka MCAs ma kwan gi romo 18 to ne ok oriwore e chendo makamano.
And I can confirm that 9 staff of the county assembly had already been given the link to pre-vote.
Yes.
That explains why at the beginning of the voting, it began with 6 votes.
Yes.
Not 1 vote, but 6 votes. Then it went to around 20-something. Then in a small time, it went to 32, then 33. It confirms what his cronies has been saying, that we are 33 or 34 in number.
Yes.
Because already they had made up their mind. They created a system that was already rigged, and the results were predetermined. The simple question I ask is this. Why do you resort to voting through an SMS when the 47 members of the assembly are physically there?
Yes.
What is so difficult in asking people to stand and then you count them?
Yes.
We only ask them for a simple thing, fairness.
Yes.
Because I said as a governor of the county that if there is a mistake, if the assembly feel like they should impeach me, then I am ready to go home with my head high where fairness and justice is done.
We are asking the Senate that they nullify all process and bring back the impeachment motion for proper voting to take place. Yes, that is our demand.
Yes. And we are very ready to present our numbers even at the Senate.
Yes.
I want to inform the governor that we will be there even before you to really give out our stand as 18 through affidavit that we didn't vote and people voted as 33.
Siasa no ma Kericho mabende koro terowa e yweyo wa mokwongo e weche gi manyien mag ang'ich welo kapok